All right, let's get the mic going there. Mic going there. Sorry about that. All right. Coffee. All right. S&P up 25. We're going to get a start there. We're going to have the NASDAQ up about 143. And the Dow is looking to open up 134. So good morning on YouTube. Good morning on Twitch. Good morning on Facebook. Good to see you all here. Oil is back up again today. Look at this. Back up 99 cents, almost $1 on the light crude Texas stuff. On the UK oil, the Brent crude up $1.08. Let's look at some movers. We've got Bitcoin back up to 50,289. Doge made a big run yesterday up to 52 cents. Still not buying it. Ethereum back up to 39.75 after that long slide that we had back on the 12th couple days ago, thanks to Elon the idiot Musk. Shitcoin is what I call it, but Shibu down to 0.0000199, and VeChain up just a little bit, a little over 1% at 18.5 cents. Apple looking to open up $1.40. AMC big run, 12.77 all the way up to 13.61. Could that hit 14 today? Let's take a look. We'll see. GameStop looking to open up down 270, and then Coinbase looking to open up a little bit up to 280. Again, they came out with earnings yesterday. Just unbelievable amount of revenue they're pumping through that company. Unbelievable. If you were live, we had the earnings call on here yesterday after the market closed, and that was certainly nice to see. A nice little pop there in the aftermarket, as well as in the pre-market today too. So a lot of good things happening there. We'll see if it gets a run today. One of the analysts came out and said, hey, we give this thing a $500 price target. So there you go. All right, here we go. Let's strap in. We're getting ready to open here. We've got less than a minute to go, probably only about 20. There we go, 20 seconds left, and then we open. So I hope you're strapped in. I hope you're ready to go. Now I've changed this up a little bit. We've got the NASDAQ up top, S&P in the middle, and the VIX on the bottom. Here we go. Market is open. Give it a second for it to click in here. There we go. All right, so S&P is up 29 on the open. The VIX 21.2. And NASDAQ is always delayed a little bit. All right, NASDAQ up 132. That's good news there. We've got Coinbase up $14 to $2.79. Apple up $1.50. AMC all the way up to $13.43. Look at that. Nice run from yesterday. And again, we bought this in the aftermarket, or in the close, right about there. All right. We have Coinbase. So Coinbase 276.96. Good stuff there. Palantir up a little bit. Exxon up almost $1. Look at that. They need it. Okay, that antique car company, Tesla, they are up 10.59, 582. Again, it broke all the way through that support level that I had drawn on them a while back. When was that? Just on auto here. Hey, we go to a daily. Yeah, that was back in March. Yeah. So there you go. All right. AMD is up 50 cents. Boeing up 319. Airbus, Boeing trade dispute solutions within reach. This whole Airbus Boeing thing, they've been talking about this for freaking months, man. They've been talking about it for months. And it's always about, oh, it's within reach. Oh, we're gonna get a solution. Oh, we're gonna settle this. Yeah, they just keep it up. Same old stuff. Same old, same old. So I had a big run up afterwards, up there, and why does it say? All right, let's see here. Chevron up $2. Ford up 12 cents. Remember, I bought 400 more shares of that thing. What am I up on that since I bought? Let's see. All right, let's see here. We've got oh, that's nice for Coinbase. All right, I'm still negative on Coinbase, I think. All right, my Ford I'm up about 3.7% on my forward buy. So that's good stuff. What the heck is this? Oh, there we go. That right there. And then Coinbase, I'm down 1,800 in one account. Because remember, my cost basis was adjusted, right? So 283 is my cost basis on Coinbase. Now it just dumped a little bit. Still up 1050 on the day. And so that's okay. All right, there we go. Okay. All right, let's see here. Cool. All right, Ethereum. Ethereum had a nice little jump back. Let's go into that a little bit, and I want to talk about that. So we know that this is paper trading up here. So what I did was I put $10,000 in a paper trading account. It's down $340 right now. I just left it. I didn't do anything with it for now because I waited for it to come back. It bounced off the bottom because I'm just doing it as a paper trading type exercise. I didn't add any more money to it. So that 10,000 is down 340. Oops. So that about 3%. That'll come back over the weekend. Usually it tends to hit right about I want to say, come on, there we go. Move this fib back out, and we're going to change it to up here. Okay. And then I'm going to scrunch it a little bit. And we're looking really from the 9th. When it tapped 37 on Ethereum. And then of course we had the dump. Had a bottom wick all the way down to 35. I think, you know, that was probably fat finger people panic selling down there. There was support there though. So if you take this bottom wick here, you can see this old resistance up here from early May, right? This is a 1 hour chart. But we've got the pivot at 40.49. 40.49. So it's channeling right now between the 0.68 or 0.61, I'm sorry, 0.61 and the 0.5 fib. That's based on these. And this is based on the, let's see here, all the way this support here level that I drew from back here from March and also the end of March is what I dragged the fib down to. So you can play with the fib. You can take the fib and you can move this bottom line and say, hey, what would it be if we're all past this now? The reason why I kept this here is, as you can see, based on this huge run up, this is a lot of support in here. A lot of support, broke resistance here, right? Broke resistance here, came back down, retested support from old resistance back here, came back up to resistance up here, pulled back just a little tiny bit, and then it was off to the races with a little stuff in here, a little Bart Simpson action going on there, head and shoulders. But you know, so I'm going to leave that fib down there. That fib is all the way down, yeah, it's down to 1640, but we're going to leave that there because you never know. So I'm comfortable leaving that there for now. It does mean that lately, based on the top here, 40.49 is what we're looking to get another run. It's at 4,000 now, man. So it's recovering quite nicely. And I don't know if the idiot tweeted anything else. I thought somebody said he did a, and for some reason my Twitter, I'm not logged in, but let's see. Let's see if this shows up. It wouldn't, yesterday it wouldn't load his tweets. I got an error. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay, so let's see here. It is high time there was a carbon tax. Okay, so here's what Tesla wants to do. Tesla is filing to be able to sell credits. So for every Tesla they sell, they get additional money from, say, Chrysler or Ford or some oil company, whatever, that needs to buy credits for carbon. Ridiculous. And so it's high time there was a carbon tax. It's just him posturing for Tesla to make profit because they're losing their ass to Ford right now in this quarter. They're losing their backside. People are buying this Ford Mustang. They can't keep them in stock. To be clear, I strongly believe in crypto, but it can't drive a massive increase in fossil fuel use, especially coal. All right, well, you got a plant in China. Go talk to your buddies over there. By the way, how's that going to work out for you? Working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiency. Potentially promising. Okay. Who are the Doge developers? I thought this was two guys that created it. What, the rest of them, you know, a couple other guys bought a whole bunch of them, and now they're the developers, and they're going to determine the future on it. So, you know, if he turns around and says in the next few weeks, hey, Tesla's going to start accepting Dogecoin as a payment, total hypocrisy. 100% hypocrite, because Doge, in order to, I forget how many are created every day. Let's say like 1 billion tokens or something like that. But Doge uses computers to mine the same as Bitcoin, the same as Ethereum. Different algorithm, but they still can use either a CPU mining or a GPU mining, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The only one that is going to be absolutely energy efficient is going to be Ethereum once it moves to 2.0. I got skin in this game. I have my 8 miners over here. Remember that thing with the other day was at 10,000? Right? So it's hashing 1450 again. I've got 466 built up since my last payout on the 12th. It'll be another 3 days before I get it. It said 3 days yesterday too. So the difficulty is increased. So instead of getting 2.4, it was down to 1.9 last night. Let's see where it's at this morning. Yeah, all the way down to 1.5 now. So difficulty, I went from, what was I doing? I was doing like 10,000, right? So this is the risk, right? 63.58. So 784 divided into 63.58. So as transactions slow down, as the gas fees come back down, my miners make less money. But I'm still at 87%. I think I was at 92% profit the other day. So instead of 2.4 ETH per month, I'm only earning 1.59 ETH per month. So the difficulty has gone up, which means my mining profits go down. But again, still, it's not free money. It takes a lot of work, but it's certainly there. As always, don't panic. Yeah, okay. He also did, I think he did some tweets over on SpaceX too. Right now, Dow up 210, NASDAQ up 133, S&P up 33. Raptor engines reignited as vehicle performed a flip maneuver, phenomenal landing on the pad. Oh, they did another one yesterday, huh? There's the flip maneuver. Oh no, that's not flip yet. See, it just kind of comes down like this. So it goes up, hits apogee, which is the maximum altitude, and it comes down like this, does a flip maneuver. Oh, new landing legs, huh? Different landing legs. A little wobbly there. Look at that. Wow, second one in a row they landed. Sounds like they got that problem solved. I'm still pissed at Elon Musk. Maybe I'll get over it. We'll see. All right. Let's see here. May 10th, first Falcon 9, first stage to complete. Oh, 10 launches and landings. Yeah, that was pretty cool. they've already had a first stage do 10 takeoffs and recoveries on the drone ships. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Launch some more satellites. I didn't cancel my Starlink yet. I was so ticked at him the other day. So ticked. And really because of the hypocrisy. And yeah, I'll get over it. I'm not quite to forgiveness yet, Elon. I'm not there yet. Be patient. Be patient. You know, the fact that, yes, Ethereum is coming back. It's recovering nicely. Back above 4,000 again. You know, looking at this thing, look. It's up 69% in the last month. Today's the 14th. Let's go to April 14th. Month ago. Close of this candle, of this green candle on that day. It was at 2360. I'm pissed because it went down. And what he said was wrong. So while this is not, sorry, I want to leave that up. Let's leave him up here. Oh, I already had it in the other one. Duh. Sorry about that. Different browser. It wasn't working in my Brave browser, so I loaded it up in Chrome. Okay, this right here. This, to be clear, I strongly believe in crypto, but it can't drive a massive increase in fossil fuel use, especially coal. When he bought all that Bitcoin back in January, he knew damn well the amount of energy used to mine Bitcoin. He's an intelligent man. He knew what he was doing. So for him to do this stuff, Dogecoin, just relying on the mood of an egotistical billionaire, I don't think it's a good idea. See you on Ethereum. There you go. I'm telling you guys. I've been screaming on this channel for long enough about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. All you got to do is take a look at this stuff right over here, okay? And these are on when you go to TradingView, and here, I'll put that link in there again. I know I'm terrible at links. I got to get use my link. Help me out. Boom, 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 boom. There's a link for TradingView. Okay. When you look at the performance down here on the bottom right hand side, I don't know if you guys can see that or not over on YouTube or Twitch, but in the last week, which means before Elon, it's still up 2%. In the last month, it's up 69%. Last 3 months, 126%. In the last year, 1,095%. Look at that. In the last year, from today to exactly a year ago, it's up 1,095%. Now look at Bitcoin. Okay, we'll get to the red in a second. 397 in the last year. So Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin 698% over the last year. It's diverged away from Bitcoin. Okay. Now, granted, when idiots like Musk say something, it's going to cause it to go down. Unfortunately, it's volatile, right? But it's you know, in the last week, Bitcoin's down 13%. Last month, down 1%. Where Ethereum in the last month is up 69%. Which one do you want to attach your cart to? I'll take this one. Thank you. All right, Coinbase pulled back. Overall markets. Let's take a quick look here. Whoa, hey, oh, this one. So I made this one yesterday. Let's see. That one there. And Dow up here. And Doge, Cardano, Polkadot, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, and the indices. So after the stream last night, I basically left these running. I did one of these things. And I have a question. So if one of you on YouTube or Twitch can answer me, can you read this chart? These charts, can you read the numbers on the right hand side? Just give me a yes in the chat or a 1 if you can read those and if you can discern those. Because Twitch forces me to I can't stream in 4K. I want to. I have the capabilities to, but Twitch only does 1080p right now. So I'm trying to figure out if you guys can see these or not, and they're clear. Maybe let me know a little bit later or something. All right, so Coinbase pulled back now. Now it's negative on the day. Apple's still positive. AMC 13.14. It's pulled back. Bouncing back up though. So it looks like the battle's shaping up for $13 on them. Looks like on they're clear for me. Okay, great. Thanks, Knight. Appreciate you. And good morning to you. So GameStop down $5 right now, but looks like 150, 155, 155, 160 probably. Well, still too early to tell. Not a lot of volume. 705,000 shares. The AMC volume is probably going to be a lot higher. Yeah, 36 million. They've already traded 36.72. They're at 64 million on a 10-day average. So they've already traded right about 52%. Yeah, 36 divided into 64. See my math here. Oh, I was off. Wait, what is that again? Hold on. 36 divided into. I like guessing on the math first. They've traded 56% of their volume. I said 52. So 56% of their volume on AMC is already traded. And we're not even 30 minutes into the open. All right, let's check the heat map. Let's take a look at what's up, what's down. All right, so pretty look what's down. Can anybody figure out which stock that possibly is? Disney is down. Everything else, just about everything else. With some outliers there, Home Depot and Lowe's pulling back a little bit. All the energy and oil, all that is up. Disney's down a little bit. Why are they down in an up market? Anybody? Anybody? Any news? All right, here's our earnings. Mixed results. Steeper than anticipated drop in sales off the back of the impact of the COVID-19. All right. I don't have any Disney. It is a decent COVID play, though. Disney reported adjusted earnings of 79 cents per share, up from adjusted earnings of 60 cents a share a year ago. This beat the consensus estimate of 26 cents per share. But like everything else this week that is reported earnings, stock goes down. No logic there. There's no logic. Coinbase 263 again. This is a long-term hold for me. So it's crazy. Crazy. So this is funny. I don't know if this is manipulation or not. Do you see what this says on TradingView? All week long, all last week, the earnings estimate consensus that I saw for Coinbase was at $3.05, which means they met. The revenue estimate, which they had been talking about the whole time, they beat. Now they're saying this morning that they missed their EPS and they missed their revenue. How the hell did the estimate go to 3.7? You tell me the analysts came in, looked at the volume and said, hey, let's make sure that Coinbase doesn't meet their earnings. I'm going to change my consensus estimate from 305 to 317 so I fuck them. That's what happened. That is what happened. It doesn't happen very often, but when you have Wall Street that are against cryptocurrency because it affects their business model of stealing, this is the kind of shenanigans you get. They changed their estimates, they revised them upwards so that Coinbase would miss their EPS. What? I just let you. Boeing, Coinbase, and AMC. So you can see the darker shades on the bottom there, or I'm sorry, the lighter